Before we talk about the sunshine in Central Illinois, today marks the 55th annual Earth Day, a day to celebrate Mother Nature and the planet we all share. Events are happening all across America and around the globe. This year's theme is Our Power, Our Planet, and it's the world's largest environmental movement. If you're looking for ways to mark Earth Day, the people behind EarthDay.org say you can limit use of plastics or volunteer to pick up trash at a local park. Now, looking across the country today, we saw temperatures beginning to warm up as we move further into spring and eventually into summer here in a few months. We saw temperatures reaching the 80s down in the southern portions of our country, but here in east central Illinois, temperatures just got up into the 70s today. We saw a high temperature of 71 degrees here in Charleston, although we did reach a high temperature of 75 degrees over in Decatur. Throughout the day today, we also saw mostly clear skies, and we're seeing those mostly clear skies now here across eastern Illinois campus, and those mostly clear skies are continuing to stay with us. As we look at our current conditions, these clear skies are staying with us, and these temperatures are also staying with us, with temperatures still in the 70s across the area. This will change as we move overnight tonight, with temperatures beginning to drop down into the 50s for our low. We're seeing a low temperature of 52 degrees, but those mostly clear skies are going to stay with us. Now, this is a little bit warmer than what we have been seeing for our low temperature, and that's partly due to the winds blowing out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour, blowing warm air up into our viewing area and warming up our temperatures. Now, as we look overnight tonight, we're going to be seeing mostly clear skies. You'll notice a few showers passing just over north of us, but for our viewing area, we will be seeing mostly clear skies and a few clouds beginning to develop as we move into the daytime tomorrow. And as we move throughout the daytime tomorrow, we're going to be seeing those clouds come and go throughout the day, but for the most part, partly cloudy to mostly clear skies for our entire daytime. And along with that, temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer with a high temperature of 74 degrees tomorrow. So temperature going to stay in the 70s for our daytime. And once again, that's partly due to the winds blowing out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And looking forward to the daytime tomorrow, those clouds are going to come and go throughout the day, but for the most part, it's going to be partly cloudy throughout the entire daytime tomorrow. We are seeing a slight chance of rain looking forward, but before that, on Thursday, we're seeing clear skies and even more warming up with a high temperature of 78 degrees on Thursday. Eventually, a chance of rain as we finish off this work week with scattered rain showers on Friday. These scattered rain showers are going to cool us off as we finish off this work week, with temperatures in the mid 70s for Friday and eventually cooling down into the 60s for the start of our weekend. A high temperature of 60 degrees on Saturday under partly cloudy skies, but temperature is going to warm up after that because for the next 6 to 10 days, we are expected to be above average. That average for this time of year is typically in the low 70s, and looking forward, we're definitely going to be above that. We're seeing temperatures eventually get up into the 80s, but first we have a few more days in the 70s left for us. We're seeing temperatures cool down on Friday as we move into the weekend, eventually down into the 60s as we start the weekend, but we'll see another warm up as we move into the weekend with a high of 73 degrees on Sunday. And eventually, as we start next work week, another warm up is going to start with a high temperature in the 80s to start our work week. So we're going to see quite a bit of a warm up as we move into next work week.